Hey, folks. Today, I've got a video that's packed with fascinating facts, intriguing insights, and thought-provoking concepts. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to explore the intricacies of human behavior, relationships, and the mind. Let's unravel the secrets that lie beneath the surface. First up, let's talk about happiness. Can you really be truly happy if you hold on to things that make you sad? The answer is a resounding no. Holding on to negativity is like carrying a heavy backpack that weighs you down and prevents you from soaring high. Let go of the things that bring you down, and watch as good things start to happen. It's not a coincidence, it's the universe clearing the path for your happiness. Moving on, have you ever noticed how some people get angry over the silliest things? Well, there might be a hidden desire behind that anger. It's not just a simple reaction, it's a subconscious longing to be loved and appreciated. So, if you see someone who's easily angered, try showing them some genuine care and compassion. Who knows, you might just fill the void in their heart and help them find peace. Now, let's talk about the differences between men and women. It's no secret that men and women have different perspectives and behaviors. Did you know that men change their minds up to 3 times more often than women? And that men are more likely to make impulsive decisions? These differences can sometimes lead to misunderstandings and conflicts in relationships. But hey, it's all part of the fun of being a diverse species, right? Speaking of relationships, let me share a little secret. When you delete the unnecessary people from your life, good things start happening. It's like decluttering your closet. You get rid of the things you don't need and make space for the things that truly matter. And trust me, the universe will reward you for it. In the realm of communication, have you ever experienced those awkward silences when you're with someone you're not particularly close to? Well, those 5 seconds of pure silence can be excruciatingly uncomfortable. But don't worry, there's a way to avoid them. Just find a common interest or topic to talk about, and let the conversation flow naturally. Now, let's delve into the world of lies. It's amazing how one lie can completely change a person's perception of you. It can shatter trust, damage relationships, and leave deep emotional scars. So, be honest and authentic in your communication. Remember, honesty is the foundation of strong and lasting relationships. After ending a relationship, it's tempting to stay in touch with your ex. But be careful, because chances are one of you is still in love or never truly was. Staying in touch can keep the wounds open and prevent you from moving on. It's better to make a clean break and give yourself time to heal. When it comes to humor, it's interesting to note that it takes 5 different places in your brain to laugh at a joke. That's why different people find different things funny. And guess what? Meeting someone in a dangerous situation can actually increase your chances of falling in love. It's like a survival instinct that makes you bond with the person who helped you through the ordeal. In the realm of relationships, perfection is overrated. 85% of people don't want perfection, they want effort. They want someone who tries, someone who cares, someone who puts in the work to make the relationship thrive. So, focus on making an effort, not on being perfect. And speaking of relationships, did you know that romance in the workplace is more likely to turn into marriage than meeting in bars or at friends' houses? Maybe it's the shared experiences, the common goals, or the intensity of working together that creates a strong bond. Whatever the reason, workplace romances can be just as fulfilling and lasting as any other relationship. Have you ever noticed that when someone gets angry with you, it motivates you to work harder and in more creative ways? It's like anger fuels your productivity and innovation. So, if you're feeling uninspired, try channeling your anger into something productive. Who knows, you might just create something amazing. And here's a fun fact. Your voice changes a bit every time you talk to someone you find attractive. It's like your body is trying to charm the other person and make them fall for you. Did you know that we actually live 80 milliseconds in the past? It's because our brain waits to process information before we consciously perceive it. This is why we sometimes feel like we're reacting to something that's already happened. Contrary to popular belief, opposites don't really attract. We are generally attracted to people with the same understanding of the world as us. We seek people who share our values, our beliefs, and our worldview. It's like we're drawn to those who reflect a part of ourselves. And here's a fascinating fact: we can relive and re-experience social pain more vividly than physical pain. This is because social pain, such as rejection or betrayal, activates the same brain regions as physical pain. So, emotional wounds can be just as painful as physical injuries. When someone stares at your mouth during a conversation, they're probably thinking about what it would be like to kiss you. It's a subconscious signal that they're attracted to you and want to get closer. So, if you catch someone staring at your mouth, don't be surprised, they're just admiring your beauty and charm. Thanking someone more often makes you a warmer person. It shows that you appreciate them and that you're grateful for their presence in your life. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can transform relationships and make people feel valued and loved. Depression can cause people to lie to themselves, placing them further into denial and making it less likely for them to face their issues. It's a defense mechanism that the brain uses to protect itself from pain and overwhelming emotions. But remember, facing your problems is the first step toward healing and moving forward. Your energy introduces you even before you say anything. When you enter a room, people can feel your presence even before they see you. Your energy radiates from you and creates an atmosphere that others can sense. So, make sure your energy is positive and inviting, because it's the first impression you give to the world. Staying quiet doesn't mean you have nothing to say. It means you don't think they're ready to hear your thoughts. Sometimes, it's better to keep your thoughts to yourself until the right moment arrives. Silence can be a powerful tool for communication, allowing you to gather your thoughts and choose your words carefully. Oh, picture this: you're in a relationship, cruising along, thinking everything's all rainbows and sunshine. But then, suddenly, you start noticing a shift. Your partner's tone changes, conversations feel different, and bam! They're suddenly busier than a bee in springtime. Now, here's a kicker: ever thought that arguing with your significant other could actually be a good thing? Believe it or not, squabbles can strengthen the bond between couples. It's like iron sharpening iron, you know? Now, let's talk about love. Real love. It's messy, it's painful, but it's also the sweetest kind of madness. Love is when your heart's aching, the world's a mess, yet all you want is that one person who drives you crazy in all the right ways. So there you have it, folks, a whirlwind of love, loneliness, and relationship talk. Stay tuned for more insights, because this crazy ride called life, we're all in it together.